Hey guys, how are you? I hope you guys are well. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can send emoji in Google Chat. In case you don't know what is Google Chat, it is a service of Google which also look like a messenger or some people who work professionally using email instead of using this Google Chat. So Google Mail is something that is so old school, and so some professional people use Google Chat for their professional work. So you can try this out. So in case you don't know anything about it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send emoji in this Google Chat services. So in case you don't know how you go to Google Chat, so you have to write mail.google.com/chat, and then you will get into the Google Chat interface. So if I want to write, so for example, I am fine. Okay, if I want to add a emoji with this sentence, so I have to click here. So there is so many emojis here. So if you want to send a smile emoji, so then you will smile. As you have seen that there is so many smiles, so I like this one actually. So it has been added into the, now press enter. So that's is the emoji has been added into the sentence, and I sent it to the other person. So this is it. This is how you can send emoji. So if you don't want to go this option, then you can uh, write colon, then you can see that, for example, if I wanna send laughing emojis, and then LAU laughing, then press enter. As you can see, the laughing emoji has added into the input box. Then press enter, the laughing emoji will send. For example, if you want to react to any messages, you can react as well. So for that, you need to go to the right, and then you will see the reactions, and then you can react as well. So as you can see that this message has a reaction which is blush, actually the blush reaction. And then if you want to add another reactions for that, then you can, for example, if I want to make this unamused emoji, I added two reaction to this message, so you can react it on the message as well. So it is very user friendly. You can try this out. I hope you will understand and you will get so many features in this option. So thanks for watching.